It's believed that 13.7 billion years ago, a supernova exploded, releasing energy that we still feel today and will feel for an infinite amount of time. Through the course of a day, the sun gets stronger and weaker, emitting different spectrum and energy. It's with that in mind that Photon Tech has encapsulated it, engineered it, and brought it to you today. I'm D the Bug Guy, and I'm going to discuss the features of my Photon Tech P-Tech controller in cohesion with my SQ300 Watt Pro grow light. Welcome or welcome back. I'm D the Bug Guy. I'm a medically licensed grower from Canada, and I'm a Photon Tech grower affiliate. Today's focus primarily will be my newly acquired Photon Tech LED digital lighting controller. I have my SQ300 Watt Pro with me today, and I'll be using it to demonstrate the features. Even my wife says that the packaging is absolutely stunning. It's smartly packed, environmentally conscious, and they thought of everything. I opened everything up, removed some of the plastic, and let's have a look inside the box. The first thing is notably the digital controller. It was protected, of course, and I love how it matches my SQ300. Photon Tech and its subsidiary, Lumitech, have clients all over the world. So naturally, the next thing that they sent were all the necessary adapters, so depending on where you live, they got you covered. I quickly sorted out, established which one was mine, and attached it. The digital controller can control up to 100 units, so some of the equipment they sent was designed for it to work in tandem. For instance, I've received multiple cords. They're super long. I ended up having to bind them up just to keep them out of the way. But it's great to have the extra option, and they take care of the temperature. I quickly plugged it in, and I was already halfway set up almost. So far, we have power and active temperature, and I packed away my previous power gauge for safekeeping. For me, the most intriguing features within the device are the 1% increment and the sunrise to sunset mode. I have it set in the grow now. Let's have a look at the control panel itself. The first thing I actually did was set the time and date, but after that, I selected my light. The P-Tech controller was developed before the SQ range light that I have was, so for now, I'm just going to use the 460 watt feature. 69, dude. That's what I set the power to. And the RS feature is how you set the sunrise to sunset feature. I went with 30 minutes. Dim, stop, and delay are all part of the auto safety shutoff feature. Dim will dim at 30 degrees in this case. It'll shut off at 40, and I've set a 0 delay. Zone B would come into play if I was running extra lights. For now, it's inapplicable. However, it is worth noting that in these features you can actually select power levels for different time frames, so you can adjust it through the course of a day. Pretty slick. For those who are interested, here are the links and information to their various media sites. And if you decided to get one yourself, be sure to use code BUDGUY. It helps me out a lot. I'd like to thank Photon Tech, Grow sponsors, and Dr. MJ Coco for their assistance in both making this video and their continued support. I'm G the Bug Guy, and I'm a photon tech grower.